warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Sri Suryanti with NPM 224111 from Management Class 22B. Here I will present material on the scope on strategy management and taught by Lecturer Ms. Kamala Puji, SEA&E. The scope of strategy management includes various important elements that are interrelated and have a very crucial role in ensuring that the organization is able to achieve its long-term goal more effectively and efficiently. The element involved in strategy management not only complement each other but also contribute simultaneously to the strategy planning and implementation process. The price element to consider is an analysis of the external and internal environment. This analysis includes an evaluation of various factors outside and inside the organization, such as market condition, competition, industry trend, and the strengths and weakness of the organization itself. A deep understanding of the external and internal environment is very important because it provides a solid foundation for determining the strategic step to be taken. Based on the result of this analysis, the organization can formulate an appropriate strategy, which is not only oriented toward exploiting opportunities but also focus on mitigating rise in challenge that might be faced. The process of formulating this strategy involves careful planning by considering various scenarios that could occur, as well as how the organization can respond adaptively to change in dynamic external conditions. After the strategy is formulated, the next step is implementation. Strategy implementation is a crucial step where the plans that have been previewed are carried out. This process requires the involvement of all companies of the organization from top management to employees at the organizational level. Successful implementation is highly dependent on effective communication, appro- appropriate resource allocation, and commitment from all parties involved. However, it does not stop here. Strategy management also includes continuous evaluation and control. Evaluation is carried out to assess the extent to which the strategy implemented has achieved the desired result, while control aims to ensure that the organization remains on track right is patient and mission. If deviations are found or results are not in line with expectation, it is necessary to adjust the strategy so that it remains relevant and can continue to support the growth and sustainability of the organization. Home business strategies also include responsibility for the social and natural environment. The business strategy implemented today is to no longer just oriented towards direct financial profit but has undergone a significant transformation to include a much broader responsibility which is not only limited to economic aspect but also takes into account different social and environmental impact in the context of a world that is increasingly aware and sensitive to sustainability issues and the importance of environmental protection. Modern companies are now required to develop and implement business strategies that proactively find attention to and manage in the impact of their operation on the communities around them and the natural environment they live in. Therefore, the strategy includes various efforts to reduce the resulting carbon footprint. manage natural resources wisely and sustainability, and support social initiatives that provide real benefit to the surrounding community. With this kind of approach, it can be consolidated that a modern and responsible business strategy must be able to consider and create a harmonious balance between economic growth, natural sustainability, and social welfare, and of these are an integral part of the company's long-term success in this increasingly competitive era. Make adjustment or modification to the strategy if the results are not in accordance with the set goal. Making adjustment or modification to the established strategy when the results obtained are not in accordance with the expected goal is very important and crucial step in the context of strategy management. This process is not just a relative action, but involves a series of essential and systematic steps to ensure that the strategies implemented remain relevant, adaptive, and effective in facing environmental dynamic and change. The first step of the process is strategy performance evaluation, where the management temporarily assesses and ensures the extent to which the result activity activate are in line with predetermined objectives. After that is continuous with analysis of the causes of non-conformity, where that team must explore and identify the factor that cause the result to not meet expectation. Once the causes are understood, the next step is the development of strategy alternatives, where various new applications and approaches are formulated as solutions to improve performance. Furthermore, implementing strategy change is an improvement step that requires careful planning and coordination so that all parties involved can adapt to the method. The change method. Finally, this process does not stop after implementation, but rather continues with continuous monitoring and adjustment, where constant monitoring is carried out to ensure that the newly implemented strategy is working well and can be changed again if necessary. By following this step, organization can be more flexible and responsive to the challenge and opportunities that arise along their journey. The role of innovation and technology in creating sustainable competitive advantage. The role of innovation and technology is creating sustainable competitive advantage is very important, especially in the context of the digital era, which continues to develop rapidly today. In a dynamical and ever-changing business world, where technology continues to innovate and consumers are increasingly demanding, companies are required to not only keep up with developments but also to lead in innovative ways. Therefore, it is important to understand in depth how innovation our technology can be the main drivers that help companies achieve long-lasting competitive advantage in a company's competitive market. The following is a more detailed explanation of the role of innovation and technology in creating sustainable competitive advantage. 1. Building competitive advantage through innovation. Innovation is defined as the main key for companies to achieve competitive advantage in the digital era, which continues to transform. Innovation is not only limited to the creating of the products or service, but also involves a complete transformation of existing operational process within the company. This means that innovation involves improving the way companies operate, the way they interact with consumer and they create and deliver value that can endure over the long term. That's all my explanation of the material regarding the scope of strategy management. I hope the material I convey is useful and easy to understand. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.